Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson 14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common issue with the Dyson 14, a stuck trigger. This can happen for various reasons, such as dirt or debris getting lodged in the mechanism, or wear and tear over time. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage and ultimately hinder your vacuum's performance. To fix this, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement trigger, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, ensure your Dyson 14 is unplugged to avoid any accidents. Begin by removing the screws on the back of the handle using your Phillips screwdriver. Take care to keep these screws safe, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle apart to reveal the internal components. The trigger is located near the top of the handle, and you should be able to see if it's jammed or broken. Carefully disconnect any wires attached to the trigger, noting their positions for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, remove the old trigger by unscrewing it from its mounting. Take your new trigger and align it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with screws, ensuring not to over-tighten them to avoid damaging the plastic. Reconnect the wires, making sure they are securely attached and in the correct order. Once everything is in place, gently press the handle back together, ensuring no wires are pinched or caught. Reinsert the screws to secure the handle. Finally, plug your Dyson 14 back in and test the trigger to ensure it functions smoothly. If it works as expected, congratulations on your repair. If you encounter any problems, it might be best to seek professional help. To prevent this issue in the future, regularly clean your vacuum's trigger area to remove any dust or debris. Additionally, avoid using your Dyson 14 in excessively dirty conditions, which can lead to quicker wear and tear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.